Hi guys, this is Ranjit, and if you guys recall, I went to the Samsung Unpacked event that happened in Bangalore, and where Samsung launched the new Fold series, the Flip series, the new Buds, and even the Galaxy Watch 5 and 5 Pro. And I want to give you my quick thoughts about it because it's been a day now. I'm back in my studio. Just wanted to quickly recap and give you an idea. In fact, if you guys know, I'm a Fold 3 user. And in fact, I like the Fold 4. I'll show you some of the footage that I shot. Again, guys, this is just a quick look at this because I got to play with the devices just for about 5-10 minutes. But here are my quick impressions. And let's start with the Flip 4. And here I would say it felt a little bit more better in hand, better build quality, obviously, more polished. And I like the fact that both the Fold 4 and the Flip 4 will come with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, which is again the fastest as of now world over. So I'm glad that they are going with that one. Another big thing about the Flip 3 was the battery life was not that great because the capacity was a lot lower. Fortunately, on the Flip 4, we are going to get 3700 mAh battery, and with the combination of the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, which is supposed to be a lot more efficient, I feel the battery life should be pretty good. Again, in terms of build quality, it felt very, very good. And also, they have this new bespoke edition. I don't know if that is going to be available everywhere because there was a star, I think, so it'll only exclusively available on Samsung site or whatever, but there you could customize it with a ton of colors. So again, that was the Flip 4, I would say iteration, but I would say improvements overall. Next, if we talk about the Buds 2 Pro, again, I felt that these, in fact, I wore them for about 2 minutes, and immediately the first thing that I noticed with this one was these felt a lot more comfortable in my ear. And in fact, they have changed the design. I think so it's because of that. So hopefully this should be very good. Also, Samsung claims that this will be it has improvement about 40% in active noise cancellation. It was too noisy over there, so I simply can't judge. Whenever I get my review on it, I will definitely test it out. But initial impressions, I would say, it felt actually pretty good. Next thing was the Galaxy Watch 5 and the 5 Pro. I didn't get a lot of time to play around with this one. I played a little with the 5 Pro, which comes with the new titanium build quality and the new sapphire glass. Actually felt very, very premium to hold. And what I liked is initially when I played around with for 2-3 minutes, the haptics have been done very, very well on this one. So I'm looking forward to that. The big difference between the 5 and the 5 Pro, obviously the 5 Pro is more rugged version, comes with the titanium body and all this thing. The regular Galaxy Watch 5, Samsung claims about 50 hours worth of usage they'll give. But on the Pro, which has a lot bigger battery, they claim about 80 hours. So I'm actually interested to check this out. Let's see if I get a review of that. Will definitely test it out. In fact, I played a lot with the Fold 4. So here is the quick video that I had shot over there to give you an idea about my initial quick impressions, what I felt about the Fold 4. So guys, this is the new Fold 4 and this is my Fold 3, and the first thing that I noticed is that if you notice, the outer screen, the edges go quite a bit here. The bezels are slightly thicker. So this feels slightly wider. In fact, technically it's about 3 mm wider also. So that's the first thing that I noticed. And the biggest difference that I noticed is regarding the weight, guys. Though technically on paper, this is just 8 grams lighter, but feels a lot lighter to hold in the hand. So I think so it's because of the new hinge design that they have done. They have reduced the weight, and the weight balance now is actually really, really good. So if you are an older, Fold 2 or a Fold 3 user, you should definitely check out. You'll be surprised with the weight balance of this phone. That is the first thing that I definitely noticed on this one. Also, the new hinge, the tension is slightly different, but actually feels very, very nice initial impressions. And again, regarding the build quality, guys, this also is great. This also comes with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, and this is the new Armor Aluminum. And again, regarding the glass also, it's Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. So this is the strongest glass that we have. So that way, in terms of build quality, no compromises, I would say. One thing I noticed is that this is a new thing that they have brought. For example, if you notice, in the inner screen, if you open this, you get a taskbar like this, and I feel this is great for multitasking and quickly just moving between the apps like this. And also, I believe you can multitask and just pull like this to have split screen and stuff like this. So this is going to make multitasking a lot easier also on this new Fold 4. I don't know if this feature will come on the Fold 3, but again, I feel that's an improvement. And Samsung also says the inner glass is slightly stronger and stuff like that. In fact, both with the Fold 4 and the Fold 3, what initial impressions I am getting is these feel like a refined version of the Fold 3's improvement in that it's the refinement, and I like that all the Fold and the Flips will come with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. Again, guys, these are just my quick initial impressions that I had on with the hands-on with those units. This is my Fold 3. I will be soon getting the Fold 4 and even the Flip 4. So again, stay tuned for that. And if you guys have any questions, I will be doing the full coverage of these devices. So if you have any specific questions, do let me know. I hope to get the units very soon. So stay tuned to my channel for the unboxings and other reviews of these devices. But out of all these devices, do let me know which one do you think you like the most. Regarding the pricing, guys, as of now we don't have the India pricing, so I just can't comment, but based on the US pricing, it's the same as what it was last year. So I'm also waiting for the India pricing and all other details. So again, stay tuned to my channel for that. And again, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you guys are still not subscribed to the YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video.